The DJI Mini 5 Pro is finally real, and the official teaser has confirmed what drone enthusiasts have been waiting for. DJI is once again pushing the boundaries of what an ultralight drone can do, and the excitement in the community is at an all-time high. From a rumored 1-inch sensor for stunning low-light performance, to longer flight times, smarter AI features, and improved obstacle avoidance, the Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be the most advanced compact drone we've ever seen. But where exactly does it fit in DJI's lineup? How much will it cost? And is it really worth the upgrade over the Mini 4 Pro? In this video, we're breaking down everything the teaser reveals, all the latest leaks, and what you need to know before deciding if the DJI Mini 5 Pro is the drone you should be waiting for. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The DJI Mini series has always been one of the most talked about product lines in the drone industry, and now with the official teaser for the DJI Mini 5 Pro making waves online, the excitement is reaching new heights. Every time DJI drops even the smallest hint, the drone community begins to buzz with speculation, analysis, and comparisons, and this time is no different. The teaser has confirmed what many enthusiasts already suspected. The Mini 5 Pro is coming, and it is going to push the boundaries of what an ultralight drone can do. With the teaser officially out, we now have enough information to start piecing together what DJI has planned, how it will fit into the market, and whether this is the drone worth waiting for in 2025. For years, DJI has held a dominant position in the consumer drone space, but the competition is catching up fast, so the stakes are higher than ever. The Mini 5 Pro teaser doesn't just build hype, it sends a clear message that DJI is not slowing down anytime soon. Looking back, the DJI Mini series has always been about accessibility. When DJI first introduced the original Mavic Mini, it was designed to fit under the critical 250-gram weight limit, allowing pilots in many regions to avoid registration while still accessing a capable flying camera. This formula turned out to be a game-changer, making drones more approachable for beginners while still delivering features that even professionals found useful as a secondary or travel drone. The Mini 2 refined that concept with better video resolution, stronger transmission systems, and improved flight performance. Then came the Mini 3 Pro, which was the first to really blur the line between consumer and professional by adding advanced obstacle avoidance, vertical shooting, and higher-end camera specs. The Mini 4 Pro continued the trend, introducing omnidirectional obstacle sensing, a better image transmission system, and a host of software upgrades. With the Mini 5 Pro, DJI appears ready to take another leap forward, and the official teaser seems to suggest this will be the most advanced ultralight drone yet. The teaser itself doesn't reveal everything, but as always, enthusiasts have been analyzing every frame. The design shown seems familiar yet refined, keeping the compact folding structure while suggesting small aerodynamic tweaks. This makes sense because DJI has little reason to reinvent the formula, it already works. Instead, the focus seems to be on refining performance, extending flight time, and improving image quality in ways that matter to both casual pilots and content creators. Many leaks suggest that the Mini 5 Pro will feature a new 1-inch sensor, a significant jump from the 1/1.3-inch sensor in the Mini 4 Pro. A larger sensor would immediately improve low-light performance, dynamic range, and overall image quality, giving pilots professional-looking footage even in challenging conditions. If this proves true, the Mini 5 Pro could very well be the best compact drone for travel photographers and filmmakers who want cinematic results without carrying bulky gear. But it's not just about the camera. DJI knows that in 2025, drones are as much about software and AI features as they are about hardware. The teaser strongly hints at new intelligent flight modes, possibly an evolution of the active track system that DJI has been perfecting for years. Imagine smoother subject tracking, smarter obstacle avoidance, and automated cinematic flight paths that make it easier than ever to capture complex shots. This aligns with DJI's recent focus on AI-powered enhancements across its lineup, and it would fit perfectly into the Mini 5 Pro's mission of making professional-level aerial filming accessible to everyone. Combined with potential upgrades to transmission technology, likely an improved version of OcuSync for stronger signal stability, the Mini 5 Pro may offer a level of confidence and reliability that smaller drones have never achieved before. Flight performance is another area where leaks and speculation are pointing to upgrades. The Mini 4 Pro already impressed with a maximum flight time of around 34 minutes, but many users still wanted more endurance, especially for longer flights in scenic areas or professional use cases. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to push that number closer to 40 minutes, thanks to a combination of a more efficient battery system and aerodynamic refinements. For drone pilots, those extra minutes are not just a number, they can mean the difference between capturing the perfect shot and running out of power at the worst possible moment. With DJI constantly working on optimizing energy efficiency, it seems highly likely that the Mini 5 Pro will deliver the longest flight times in the Mini lineup to date. Of course, one of the biggest talking points in the teaser is the positioning of the Mini 5 Pro in DJI's product ecosystem. With the Air 3 already serving as a mid-tier option and the Mavic 3 Pro sitting at the high end, where does the Mini 5 Pro fit? The answer lies in the weight and accessibility factor. By keeping the weight under 250 grams, DJI ensures that this drone remains globally appealing, especially in markets where regulations around heavier drones are more restrictive. This gives the Mini 5 Pro an edge that no other series can replicate. At the same time, by packing in high-end features like a larger sensor, advanced obstacle avoidance, and longer flight time, DJI makes sure the Mini 5 Pro is not just a beginner's drone but a serious creative tool. It essentially bridges the gap between accessibility and professionalism, a balance that very few drones have been able to achieve. Pricing is another area where the community is buzzing with predictions. Based on DJI's previous patterns, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to launch at a price slightly higher than the Mini 4 Pro, possibly in the $899 to $999 range. This makes sense because the rumored upgrades, especially the larger sensor and improved flight performance, would justify the increase. For many creators, the question will be whether the Mini 5 Pro offers enough over the Mini 4 Pro to justify upgrading. The teaser makes it clear that DJI believes it does, but the final verdict will depend on real-world performance. That said, considering DJI's track record of delivering value and innovation, it is very likely that the Mini 5 Pro will be seen as a worthwhile investment by anyone serious about aerial photography. Version of OcuSync for stronger signal stability, the Mini 5 Pro may offer a level of confidence and reliability that smaller drones have never achieved before. Flight performance is another area where leaks and speculation are pointing to upgrades. The Mini 4 Pro already impressed with a maximum flight time of around 34 minutes, but many users still wanted more endurance, especially for longer flights in scenic areas or professional use cases. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to push that number closer to 40 minutes, thanks to a combination of a more efficient battery system and aerodynamic refinements. For drone pilots, those extra minutes are not just a number, they can mean the difference between capturing the perfect shot and running out of power at the worst possible moment. With DJI constantly working on optimizing energy efficiency, it seems highly likely that the Mini 5 Pro will deliver the longest flight times in the Mini lineup to date. Of course, one of the biggest talking points in the teaser is the positioning of the Mini 5 Pro in DJI's product ecosystem. With the Air 3 already serving as a mid-tier option and the Mavic 3 Pro sitting at the high end, where does the Mini 5 Pro fit? The answer lies in the weight and accessibility factor. By keeping the weight under 250 grams, DJI